Golden Spike Killer is a revolutionary boom and crash indicator that's about to change the game for traders worldwide. With an impressive 95% accuracy rate, this cutting-edge tool is designed to detect spikes before they happen, giving you a crucial edge in the market. Unlike other indicators that merely react to market fluctuations, the Golden Spike Killer anticipates and alerts you to potential spikes, sending a signal before they occur. This allows you to position yourself strategically, maximizing your gains while minimizing your losses. Imagine being able to ride the wave of a boom or sidestep the devastating effects of a crash. The Golden Spike Killer makes it possible. And the best part? This powerful tool is available for just $150. For a fraction of the cost of other indicators on the market, you'll gain access to a sophisticated algorithm that has been meticulously crafted to deliver precise and reliable signals. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the Golden Spike Killer is an indispensable addition to your trading arsenal. With its unparalleled accuracy and user-friendly interface, you'll be empowered to make informed decisions, stay ahead of the curve, and achieve your trading goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading experience. Get your hands on the Golden Spike Killer today and start spotting those spikes before they happen. The Golden Spike Killer isn't just an indicator, it's a game changer. It's the key to unlocking a new level of trading success. And it's waiting for you, so what are you waiting for? Take control of your trading destiny and invest in the Golden Spike Killer today. With its unbeatable accuracy and unbeatable price, it's a no-brainer for anyone serious about trading. You'll be glad you did. The Golden Spike Killer is poised to become an essential tool for traders worldwide, and we're confident it'll do the same for you. By providing a clear and concise signal before a spike occurs, this indicator takes the guesswork out of trading, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your portfolio. Whether you're trading boom and crash indices or other volatile markets, the Golden Spike Killer is your ticket to increased profits and reduced stress.